It's not inside. No, it water damaged, so it's got. Yeah, once it's on, come and have a look. It's water damaged, so it's all got to be stripped out. But it's a project.
Yeah.
Bloody huge. Yeah, he's been looking because he likes it at Neil's, and it's like he always sees yours and everything, and he wants a camper van. Yeah.
Fair play. Well, go big or go home, eh?
Absolutely. Just about fits on the grass.
It's Neil, isn't it?
Neil, yeah.
It's not Neil's, is it? I don't think so. I was like, oh, I ain't got it. It's John's. I'm going to go and have a look.
Yeah, get your shoes on. You'll have to put your shoes on because it's a bit rotten inside. But yeah, come and have a look by all means. So, you ain't going to get through, mate. Oh, we can. But it's a project and a half.
Yeah, definitely. What's that, like auction?
No, it was just on eBay.
Oh, was it? Oh, fair play.
We got it really cheap.
Yeah. Well, I don't think you get it for the right price. You check the right time.
Yeah, John will tell you what he got for it. It's like. Yeah, the engine's really good on it. That's why he bought it, because the engine's really good. But the inside, but it means I can design. Design it all.
Yeah. I should start from scratch then.
Yeah.
We'll go put some shoes.
Yeah, and then come and have a look. Yeah, we think that's what's been leaking. So it's got a generator as well.
Literally self-sufficient.
Yeah, next year's holidays are sorted.
Yeah, definitely.
Well, we've got Robbie can work on it every day, sort of thing. So he can.
Soon get going with work.
Yeah. But he bought the Land Rover so we could buy a caravan. So the Land Rover's going now. So he's gonna, the TVR's going to go. We can't put the dog in the TVR, you see.
Oh, that's it.
So this is for the dog.
It's a room in there, definitely. You just have the one
yeah, just a Jag, yeah. So. And what? I think we've sold the TVR already. Somebody in France wants it. We've got to send a video tomorrow of it starting up. Yeah. So he's at work in the morning, so he'll do that when he gets home, but he thinks it's going to France. And then the Land Rover, he wants to spray the roof. It's had a new roof on it. Just do a bit of spraying on it and then... look at that. Oh my God. Yeah, because I had to ask him to move the van because we weren't sure if it'd be in the way. Yeah, he's going to come out and have a look at it as well.
I bet he'll be soon out.
Yeah, he says there's an American camper group, he says we should join, so... My dad would have a fit what I'm putting on his lawn.
Yeah, I'll bet. How nice it was kept, always trimmed. Now look.
I used to mow, there used to be 3 lawns. I used to get a £5 for mowing that when I was a kid. So I was born in that house. Yeah, so I've always lived here, so it's like coming back home sort of thing. So but it's a humongous thing.
Yeah, 20 some odd foot, surely.
Yeah, the prop shaft, is it, underneath?
Yeah.
That's been snapped.
Yeah.
So we've got to fix that, so we can't drive it at the minute, but he said that's quite an easy fix.
Yeah.
No idea myself, like I don't drive, so...
Yeah,
if you know what you're doing.
Yeah, they're pretty... More or less bolts on, bolts off, really.
Yeah. But Ian, he knows somebody who does them sort of thing. So between everybody, I think we should be able to get it fixed.
Yeah, definitely. There's enough people in one small area.
Absolutely.
It'll be worth it when you're there on your first holiday.
It will be amazing.
We're going away August, we can't wait.
Yeah.
Come on, just keep going. Now they said that it's almost
over, it's
almost there.
Almost. Yeah, so hopefully because he's been looking at buying one for ages, but they're just so expensive. And this one just come up at the right price, but it needs a lot of work, so we're not really bothered about this year. So we've had 2 holidays and we've got another one booked for the end of August, so but next year we'll be out and about, hopefully. Hopefully.
That's it, you can go anywhere, can't you?
Yeah.
Especially when it's like that, it's you know, you've got everything on there. Nice. little toy. Definitely a bit bigger than the TVR.
I said you bought it for the dog. I said you bought it for the dog. Yeah, just imagine what the neighbours are going to say. It's like, I know certain old ones will have a bit of a grumble.
So, you own it, you know.
Yeah.
Nothing wrong with it.
It's on our land.
Yeah, exactly. It's not interfering with anybody else, you know.
Might do when you start it up.
Yeah, that's it. When we're in here, we'll start up, and I think sometimes his friend comes in the orange one.
Yeah, we always know when they're here. Yeah.
You have a quick nosy, or that there's a couple of American trucks that come.
Yeah. But he says he's going to get his mate to send some photos of